Yogurt. Mango. 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 Mango yogurt. What color is your yogurt? Yellow. Can I see this one? What's the title? Wow, yogurt. Other side. Wow. Is it yummy? Paborito niya po yan. Mango yogurt. Supposed to be the merienda. But she ate everything now. Is it yummy? Say yummy. Yummy yogurt. Can I have some, please? Can I have some? Okay. All yours. Ayaw po niya mamigay. Grabe po talaga siya na po nag-feed sa sarili niya. At ilang taon lang po yan. 1 year and 9 months. Siya na po talaga kumakain mag-isa. Grabe yung batang to. Wipe your face. Wipe your face. Paano mag-wipe ang mayaman? Nag-wipe din. Grabe Wipe again. Also sa kabilang side. Maisipan naman tong batang to. Wipe again. Pakonti na lang pakonti tinitipid mo pa
Huwag ka muna.
Everything na.
Huwag. Sige.